We are here at Nutimek camping. I just finished setting it up. Here camping for 2 nights. Yeah, I just finished setting up my camper. Yeah, this is what I did here. If you see around it, if there's cover, you got privacy on it. Yeah, this is my camper right there. Yeah, that's the setup right now. Yeah, okay, that's the outside right there. Let's go inside and we're gonna start cooking. Yeah, we're gonna start cooking right now. Yeah, this is the outside. This is the road. Ano tayo paglutuan?
Ha?
Paglutuan.
Ha?
Tayo paglutuan, kunak. Tea rice. Yeah. Let's go inside. Ano nga banda?
Ayan, ayan, papumunti yan. Bukit may...
Okay, go. Yeah, this is the bunk bed. That's another bed. That's another bed. Right there. This is the washroom. Where's washroom? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start cooking now. Okay, I'll see you later.